Hi friends, in this video we will see how to use subtotal function. What is subtotal? Subtotal is, you can say, categorize total functions. For example, if we want department wise total or if we want city wise total, we can use subtotal. So there are two ways how to use subtotal functions. Let's see how to use. So in normal practice, when we want to where we want to use subtotal, first select your entire range, then go to data tab and go to subtotal function. You can select department here. What functions you want to use? Normally we are using some functions. You can change as per requirement. Sum total. And you want total for, you can for salary. Here for salary and graduate you can select any one option or for two options. It will work. Press OK. So your subtotal has been started. If you press second, it will show you summary, department wise summary, but it is not showing correctly. My finance department is here, here, and is here also. Similarly, other departments are also not sorted properly. It has become because we had not sorted our data first. So please remember, first condition to use subtotal: sort your data in ascending order or descending order. Otherwise, subtotal function won't work properly. So I remove subtotal. Just select your entire data, go to data tab and press remove all. So this is my actual data. So now I will first sort my data. Just select in department and sort by ascending order. So my department is now sorted in ascending order. So now I will use subtotal function again. Selecting my data, go to data tab and use subtotal function. And total under department head, sum function for annual salary and gratuity. Press OK. So here I can see my department wise total. So this is how we can use subtotal functions. This is run total. Suppose I don't this sheet now, so I can remove my subtotal functions. Selecting all, go to data and again press subtotal. It's OK. Remove. That was the first way. We'll see now how to use in another way. So this is my data, which is as per my earlier data. So suppose I want to use the functions here only, don't want to go in data and subtotal and use the functions. So how can I use? So if I want my department wise total, if I filter it with department, so my total is same, it is not changed because this is sum function. To use subtotal function here only, just press subtotal and pressing. To use subtotal, press is equal to subtotal. Just bracket. So there are certain ways how to use subtotal. For sum, press 9. Then comma, then select your range, which is to be used for subtotal. This is my range. Third line is my header, so my data starts from line 4 to F44. Okay. So this is the subtotal of my department. This is subtotal for admin department. Similarly, I can change my data as per my requirement. For finance, I will get finance. It's filtered. This is the only total of my filter data. The other data are there also, other departments are there also, but what I use under filter option, this will give me the total of head functions only. My finance and legal both functions total is 65.74 lakhs. So this is how we can use subtotal in the same subtotal functions. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.